Hey everybody, it's Jeremy with Advisorfix, and I want to say hello to 2019. That's right, 2018 is behind us, and I am so happy. This is a very exciting week and a very exciting weekend coming up. We've got a couple things going on. We're going to talk about the start of the Supercross season. So for those of you who love to ride dirt bikes, man, an exciting season of Supercross starts this Saturday night in Anaheim, California, where, hey, we're expecting rain out here in Southern California. So it should be some amazing racing, hopefully some slick tracks, mud. It's going to be a great night for Supercross to kick off. Also, Cowboys play the Seahawks tonight in the wild card game. So the playoffs in the NFL are in full swing. Now, what in the world does this have to do with servicing? Hey, it's all about performance and being ready for that game time performance. So let's check this out. One of the things I want you to be very, very clear on is this. I'm really excited that the holidays are behind us and we can actually get back to work. Man, those breaks and those momentum killers during those 2 weeks, that was a rough 2-week stretch with the holidays. I got sick. Family's been sick. I mean, it's been going all around. So obviously you can probably hear my voice isn't at 100%, but hey, we're here to help you out. So check this out. 2019, I want you to be very, very clear, crystal clear on what you want to accomplish with your sales goals. As a service advisor, you are the gas pedal. You have your foot on the throttle of this business, and your performance will directly correlate to the sales and the profits that are driven to the back end and drop to the bottom line for your shop. So you have a very specific role to play for your shop, and that is creating profitable sales and client for life referral relationships for your shop. So let's do this. Let's get clear on what we want to accomplish. So by now, you should already have your annual sales goals already set. Break those down into monthly goals, break those down into weekly goals, and then break those down into daily goals. Also, I forgot, let's bring in the quarterly. So here's how you want to break it down. Annual, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily. Now, with the daily sales goal, we're going to do this. Being crystal clear on what you want to accomplish. As a service advisor, you live in a whirlwind. Your day moves incredibly fast. You can't finish one task and move right on to the next because, hey, a customer could show up and they may need help. So here's how you're going to accomplish your 2019 goals. You're going to use a daily sales goal sheet. Now, I'm old school. I like to use this pen and paper. Yes, you can create an Excel spreadsheet. We have those tools available for our clients. So if you want an Excel spreadsheet, we have it. Just send me an email and I'll get it over to you. Here's what I found. At the front counter, things move incredibly fast. And if I don't know exactly where I'm at every moment of the day, then I don't know what I need to accomplish. And I could get lost in busyness. And at the end of the day, I wasn't very profitable and I didn't hit my goal. So here's what we want to do. I'm going to show you the daily sales goal sheet right now. This is the one that I personally use at the counter. And you're going to notice a couple things. We start by looking at our car count. You have to know how many cars you have to bring in every single day. This is one of the fundamental pillars of success for high-achieving service advisors. If you just capture those cars every single day, the law of averages is going to help you out, and boom, your sales are going to follow. So your job is to capture those cars every single day. Start that out and watch. Play a game with yourself. How fast can you get your cars in? If you can get your cars in by 9 a.m. and get them all checked out by 11 and sold, I guarantee you're going to have a higher sales day that day than getting everything in at 4 p.m. So watch how just looking at your car count will help blow up your sales and accelerate your success. The next thing you're going to see is we track the RO number. Then we look at our DISC. That's our discovered work average. How much work are we finding? Now, I do want to go on a little rant here. I've been watching Facebook and I've been seeing some things where a lot of service advisors' pay is tied in to their closing ratio. Now, for me as a service advisor and a trainer, when you understand the psychology of consumers and what makes them buy, having commission salespeople can actually be the wrong type of business plan or pay plan for a shop to be very successful. If that service advisor is focused on how much he's going to make off of that customer and that transaction, I guarantee you today's consumers, they're savvy, they're smart. They're going to feel it, they're going to hear it, they're going to see it. So just tracking and compensating guys or gals based off of their closing ratio could actually set yourself up for failure because you're creating the wrong emotions inside the service advisor. Remember, our first and foremost objective with clients is to help them. Yes. No, those of you that are yelling at the camera right now, I understand. Stop. Profits are going to come. We are in business to create profits. I get that. But the principal purpose, Peter Drucker says, the principal purpose of business is not to create a profit. It's to create a customer. So we've got to create that customer first. And as a service advisor on the front lines, your first and primary role is to help your client, not figure out how much you can close on them today. It's a completely different mindset. So if you're tracking your discovery, yes, I want to track my discovered work. It's important. I need to know out in my shop how much my guys are finding on every car, because cars need work, and our job is to fully disclose everything that that car needs. So we're going to track our discovered work. Okay, that's enough about discovered work. Moving on. Next, your goal. You're going to have a daily sales goal set every single day, and you are going to fight for this to the death. Don't leave the shop until you hit your goal every single day. I don't care if it's 11:55 at night. Stay and make those sales. I'm just kidding. You can leave at 10 p.m. So you do want to know what you want to do. Now watch this. As we progress this year, I'm going to show you how to make up ground. And if you're ahead, to put more in savings, put more in the bank, so you what? So you don't get lost, don't get caught behind, okay? So we're going to track our goal as well. So this is your daily goal here. Now, as we go throughout our day, we're going to track what we sell. So as you get approvals and authorizations, you need to know exactly where you're at. Now watch this. We count from the top down, not from the bottom up. I want your focus to be, what do you have to accomplish? Where am I going? What do I still need to do with the day? If I call your shop at 2 p.m. and I say, hey, Mr. Smith, how's it going? And you say, oh, it's going great. We're busy. It's not what I want to hear. What I want to hear is this. Hey, Jeremy, things are great. We're doing awesome. We've taken in 8 cars. We have 2 more to go. We've exceeded our sales goal by $1,000. We've got $6,000 in authorizations already. We got 2 more cars coming this afternoon that's going to complete our sales goal, and then we're going to get ready for tomorrow. So knowing exactly what you still have to accomplish is going to help you end 2019, guess what? Ahead of your goals. I want you to really analyze what you did in 2018 and understand this. The final number on December 31st, it wasn't a result of what you did on December 31st. It was all those small decisions, all those small behaviors, all those habits. How do you prepare for the morning? Do you bring in the cars? Did you get the authorizations? That all adds up. You didn't miss your goal by 40,000 or 100,000 or 200,000 on one day. You missed your goal $100 a day. You missed your goal 1 car a day, 2 cars a week, $500 a week. So you may have missed your goal just short. Didn't happen in one day. It happened over the course of the year. We're going to be different in 2019. 2019 is a year for you to achieve what you want to achieve. Go out and make it happen. Now, one other thing on this daily goal sheet I want to point out. You have your hours. We're tracking our billed hours, and then we're also tracking our labor dollars. At the bottom, I want you to look. We're looking at our effective labor rate. I want service advisors to understand profitability is determined in the moments that you make the estimate. You can't call customers back from December and say, hey, Mr. Smith, we didn't charge you enough. Our profits were low. We need to charge you $50. Can I have $50 from that job we did in December? That's ridiculous. Nobody would pay you. So you, as a service advisor, have a duty to make sure the job is profitable, it's fair for both parties, and it's in the best interest of the client, and that they should do everything today and then get the authorization for everything. So watch how that happens. Also, you'll see here, so we start out every single day, we use affirmations, and then we take notes. So the daily goal sheet, it's a great form. It's my gift to you for 2019. You can download it at advisorfix.com. And if you need help figuring out how to use it, my cell phone's 951-532-0487. Shoot me a text or an email. I'll be happy to help you. You can email me at jeremy@advisorfix.com. Don't go anywhere. We're not done just yet. All right, did you do it? Did you put your helmet on to go out and have some fun over the holidays? I really hope you did, and I hope you had a great and a safe holiday season, and 2019 is upon us. So check this out. I've got my motocross jersey on. As soon as I'm done shooting and editing this, I'm out to the track. We're going to go out and have some fun today, rip some laps on the motocross bikes, and just have a great day. Look, we work incredibly hard during the week. The service advisor position is one of the hardest positions that you could possibly take on. So I encourage you, harness and protect your personal time. You deserve it. You deserve balance in life. Go out there and have fun. Put your helmets on. Put your jerseys on. Let's enjoy life and live life to the fullest. All right. If you need any help, you can reach me at 951-532-0487. Check out our webpage at advisorfix.com. You got my email and everything you need there. I wish you the best. It's game time, guys. Season starting. 2019 is well underway. And before you know it, we're going to be in the spring and summer. So let's get to work. Let's figure out crystal clear what we want to achieve. And I give you this guarantee. If you set your goals every single day, write them down, and you work hard and diligently, you will come out on top. I wish you the best. Have a great day. See you next week.